of preserved vegetables at home, so we'll be having preserved vegetable dishes again today. Hope you don't mind.
MEICAI preserved mustard greens has a savory, appetizing flavor that pairs perfectly with rice. When braised with vegetarian fish slices, it creates a rich and delicious dish. The vegetarian fish soaks up the rich broth from the MEICAI, becoming incredibly flavorful, tender, savory, and utterly delicious. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Ingredients: vegan fish, maikai salted mustard green, dried chilies. Omit dried chilies if you don't like spicy flavors. MEICAI is naturally quite salty, so rinse it thoroughly under running water 2 to 3 times. Then soak it in cold water for 30 minutes to 1 hour, changing the water 1 to 2 times. Finally, squeeze out the excess liquid. This preserves its unique flavor while reducing saltiness. When I first rinsed MEICAI, I was shocked to see the dark, muddy-looking water. Who knew these unassuming preserved greens could release such intense color? But don't worry, after a few rounds of soaking, the water clears, revealing that this is actually the secret behind its signature umami depth. While I'm sharing this MEICAI recipe today, a friendly reminder, as a preserved food, it's naturally high in sodium. It's perfect for occasional flavor boosting, but for better health, moderation is key. Try using small amounts to enhance dishes rather than making it the main ingredient. After soaking, firmly squeeze out all excess water and cut the MEICAI into 1 centimeter pieces. This allows the preserved greens to better absorb braising liquids while releasing deeper aromas during cooking. The smaller size also creates a more delicate texture, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. After thawing the vegetarian fish, I always slice it into portion-sized pieces during the first thaw. This way, they're ready to cook whenever needed. Super convenient. Slice the vegetarian fish into even 0.5 centimeters thick pieces, thin enough to soak up the MEICAI flavors quickly, yet thick enough to hold its tender texture without falling apart. Frying or air frying the vegetarian fish first creates a crispy golden crust that helps it absorb the savory MEICAI broth more effectively during braising, resulting in a perfect contrast of crispy exterior and tender, flavorful interior. Cut dried chilies into sections. Let's start cooking. Toasting dried chilies in hot oil until fragrant is the soul of this dish. It releases an irresistible smoky aroma that defines the flavor profile. Keep the heat medium to prevent burning, and when you catch that perfect woody spicy fragrance, it's time to add other ingredients. Add a teaspoon of umami seasoning to enhance the flavors. Seasoning salt and sugar to taste at own preference. Add just enough water to barely cover the ingredients by 1 centimeter, about 1 1/4 cups. This concentrates the MEICAI's savory essence without diluting it. Too much water will make the vegetarian fish mushy. For a richer color, stir in 1/2 teaspoon dark soy sauce. It gives the vegetarian fish an appetizing amber glaze while adding depth without overpowering saltiness. After the broth boils, reduce to medium-low heat and simmer the vegetarian fish for 3 to 5 minutes. Overcooking will make it mushy. It's done when a chopstick pierces through easily. As the lid lifts, the earthy aroma of MEICAI melds with the dry chili's fragrance of vegetarian fish, all wrapped in a warm, peppery steam that makes your mouth water instantly. The fragrant MEICAI braised vegetarian fish slices are now ready. For an elegant presentation, layer the preserved mustard greens at the bottom of the plate and arrange the fish slices in a circular pattern on top. This plating style is perfect for guests. The golden fish slices fanned over dark MEICAI with scallion confetti creates instant wow factor at dinner parties. Well, stunning presentation, right? Let me know if you love this dish as much as I do. Comments always welcome. Dried chilies strike first with their smoky heat, tangoing with MEICAI's savory depth. The vegetarian fish soaks up this duet, achieving a perfect textural balance, slightly chewy outside, pillowy soft inside. As it simmers, the fermented complexity of preserved greens unfolds, while the chili's warmth lingers from palate to throat. What remains is an unforgettable finish where bean curd sweetness harmonizes with aged umami. As a fermented vegetable, MEICAI contains probiotic lactic acid bacteria beneficial for gut health. While its fiber content triples that of fresh mustard greens, moderate consumption is advised due to high sodium. The fermentation process generates free amino acids, creating its signature umami. Always soak MEICAI to remove excess salt. Change water 2 to 3 times, and refrigerate after opening. Due to its high sodium content, limit intake to 30 grams per serving, especially important for those with hypertension. Fun fact, authentic MEICAI requires triple steaming and sun-drying, with its iconic brown color coming from the Maillard reaction. In ancient Guangdong, premium preserved greens were pressed into cakes called MEICAI cow, a traditional dowry item known as daughter's vegetable. The oldest aging techniques can develop its flavor for up to 5 years, making it the purity of vegetables. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference, whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yeah.